So we are currently in the process of building a gazebo, as you can see over there. Let me take you closer. This would be an area to relax outside, to sit down in the shade and have some drinks, enjoy yourself. This is the executive suite over here. Abi, follow me. Alright, so if you are to book this suite, you would have an exclusive apartment with 2 bedrooms. Again, our television has got all the channels that you may need. Follow me. Check out the bedroom. Absolute luxury. Very, very, very comfortable bed. I have not ever seen a comfortable bed like that before. So yeah, this is the executive suite. Then this is the second bedroom. All right. Again, fantastic queen size bed, sideboards, very fresh, newly built, newly painted. You definitely enjoy your stay in here. Built-in wardrobes as well, for you to put all your items. They're all over here. Okay, that's great. Over here, we've got a sitting area that can seat quite a lot of people, as it's Premier League season. You can bring your friends, watch some football. Renovations are still partly taking place, but I'll just give you a quick look at the bathroom. Because it's not yet ready. This is the kitchen area.